When it comes to upgrading your home in Frederick, window replacement is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or boost the overall comfort of your living space, replacing your windows is a great way to achieve those goals. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about window replacement in Frederick, from understanding your options to choosing the right contractor. Why consider window replacement? Replacing your windows offers several benefits. Here are some of the most compelling reasons to consider a window replacement project for your home in Frederick. Enhanced energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes, are often the culprit for high energy bills. Newer windows come with double or triple glazing, better seals, and energy-efficient materials that help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This reduces the workload on your HVAC system and lowers energy consumption. Increased home value. New windows not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also increase its market value. Potential buyers will be drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows. Whether you're planning to sell soon or want to make an investment in your property, window replacement is a smart choice. Improved aesthetics and curb appeal. Windows are one of the most visible features of a home. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or foggy, they can make your home look tired. A new set of windows can instantly elevate your home's appearance and make it more attractive from the street. Noise reduction and comfort. Modern windows come with noise-reducing features, making it easier to enjoy peace and quiet at home. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a major road, new windows can help reduce outside noise, contributing to a more comfortable living environment. Understanding your window options. When considering window replacement in Frederick, there are several window styles and materials to choose from. The most common types include double-hung windows. These are classic, versatile windows where both the upper and lower sashes can move up and down. They offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward. They provide maximum ventilation and can be a great choice for hard-to-reach places, such as over kitchen sinks. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are easy to operate and are often installed in spaces where traditional windows might be difficult to open. They glide horizontally and are known for their sleek, modern look. Picture windows. These large, fixed windows offer unobstructed views and let in plenty of natural light. They are ideal for spaces where you want to maximize your view, such as a living room or dining room. Bay and bow windows. These windows extend outward from the home, creating a cozy nook inside. They are often used to create a focal point in a room, adding both charm and extra space. In addition to style, you'll also need to choose the material for your windows. The most common materials include vinyl. Affordable, durable, and low maintenance, vinyl windows are an excellent choice for many homeowners. Wood. A traditional and elegant choice, wood windows offer a timeless appeal but require more maintenance. Fiberglass. Known for their strength and energy efficiency, fiberglass windows are a great long-term investment. Aluminum. Lightweight and sturdy, aluminum windows are ideal for modern homes but are not as energy efficient as other materials. Finding the right window replacement contractor in Frederick. Choosing the right contractor is crucial to the success of your window replacement project. Here are a few tips to help you find a reliable contractor in Frederick. Get multiple quotes. Always ask for quotes from at least 3 contractors to ensure you're getting a fair price. Be sure to inquire about warranties and what's included in the estimate. Check reviews and references. Look for contractors with strong reputations and check online reviews. Don't hesitate to ask for references from past clients. Verify credentials. Ensure the contractor is licensed, insured, and has the necessary experience in window replacement. Ask about energy efficiency options. A good contractor will provide guidance on energy-efficient windows and help you select the best options for your home. Conclusion. Window replacement is an investment that brings significant benefits to your home in Frederick. By enhancing energy efficiency, boosting curb appeal, and increasing comfort, new windows can make a big difference. Understanding your window options and choosing the right contractor will help ensure a successful project that meets your needs and adds lasting value to your home. With this ultimate guide, you're now equipped to make an informed decision about window replacement in Frederick.